No rules, no limits, just have fun. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Poacher. Welcome to my channel. Today is my birthday, and my girlfriend gave me a special gift, a Razer BlackWidow X Tenkeyless mechanical keyboard. It is very affordable, costing only about 44 US dollars. Originally, she spent it to get me a keyboard priced around 100 US dollars, but I soon realized that I had grown up and was no longer the young guy who spent all his time gaming, so I probably did not need an expensive keyboard, and she ended up choosing this budget-friendly Black Widow X instead. My previous keyboard was the Logitech G610, which I had been using for over 7 years. Many of its keys had worn out from excessive use, like the Y key, which was completely broken. That meant I couldn't type the word Bybit and was unable to log into the cryptocurrency exchange to withdraw my Ethereum. That's a joke, a not funny joke. Compared to my old G610, the Black Widow X features textured anti-slip keycaps, which I found much better for gaming. The G610, on the other hand, lacks this feature. In terms of backlighting, the Black Widow X comes with a green backlight, whereas the G610 had a white one. Personally, I prefer RGB light with gradient effects, but considering the keyboard only costs 44 US dollars, having any backlight at all is already a great deal. You can't ask for too much at this price point. Razer officially calls the switches in this keyboard green switches, but in my experience, they feel very similar to traditional blue switches. If you enjoy the clicky feel of mechanical keyboards, this one wouldn't disappoint. However, if you game late at night, be aware that the loud keystrokes might disturb your family. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its lightweight design. Even if I had the full-sized version with the number pad, I'm pretty sure it would still be lighter than my G610. So if you prefer a compact, lightweight keyboard, the Black Widow X might be a great choice for you. That said, this keyboard does not come with a wrist rest. I've never used one myself, so it doesn't bother me. But if a wrist rest is essential for you, or if you suffer from wrist pain, you may want to consider other models that include one. Additionally, this keyboard only supports USB wired connectivity. If you are looking for a keyboard with 2.4G wireless, wired, and Bluetooth tri-modal support, this might not be the right choice for you. That wraps up today's review. If you have any questions about this keyboard or if you already own a Black Widow X, feel free to share your experience in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest tech and gaming updates. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.